How to verify identity on Freelancer. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on Freelancer. Now, to complete your verification or KYC verification on Freelancer, what you want to do is first you can go ahead and log into your account. You can do so on your browser or you can do so on the application itself as well. Now the process is similar, so I'll just guide you through. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you'll have to tap on the hamburger icon, the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once here, what you want to do is you want to head into settings. From the settings, you want to swipe to the right at the top and you want to head into trust and verification. Now, depending on the reason you are here, if you scroll down below, you'll find the option that says verify ID or KYC verification. In my case, the only available option is authenticating the credit or debit card, so you can tap on it and you can go ahead and enter those details there and you can verify your ID. Or if you have the option to verify your ID here, this is where you'll get the option to verify. You can tap on it and you can go ahead through the process and verify it. So this way you can verify identity on Freelancer. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.